Today we are going to be changing the bushing out on the shifter gear by the transmission. We're replacing it. If you have the shifter that just wiggles from park to drive but doesn't put it in gear, this might be the problem with your Hummer. So here we go. Alright, the first thing you want to check out is this bushing right here. If that bushing right here is good to go and in there, then it's the one by the transmission. Alright, I'll show you guys that one next. To take this off, you just take these two Allen head screws off, and they're held on by 3 clips. One's there, and the other one's there. Alright, and here is the new part. I'll put a link below on where I ordered it. I got it from Amazon. Those are all the vehicles it'll work with. What you just want to do is you get this, and you want to put it like that right there. Put them together, and then I'll show you the next part. You want to put in there just like that. Alright. Now next step is go under your car. Alright, and here we are at the bottom of the Hummer. You just gotta look for this pin right here. Amongst everything else, there's your oil filter and whatnot. It's right there. I have it temporarily fixed right now. I just put it back in. And it should just, that's how it pops off right there. Alright. And as you can tell, the old piece is there, so I'm going to have to remove that part. But the new piece will go in here just like that. Push it in right there, push it in all the way, and then remove the red cap. I'll show you once I get to that part. Alright. Took this old, here's the old piece that broke. I used a flathead screwdriver to take it off, and there goes the broken part. Alright. And I will be taking a new part, put it in, push it all the way through like it is right there, and then you will pull this red garment off. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'll be back once I put that off. And there it goes. It's finished being installed. Move it a couple times to see if it will come off or not. And that looks pretty secured. Alright, and there you have it. Repair is complete. By the way, this is the way it's supposed to look, in case you were wondering where I got my information from. Alright. Also remember to put your car on stands, safety stands, drive on stands, whatever stands you got. And also remember to wear safety glasses. I took mine off, but safety glasses to make sure while you're under there, none of the rust of debris that might be under your car will get in your eyes. So make sure your safety first, alright? Also, thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you would like more content like this, also leave a comment below. Appreciate it. Have a good one.